Heating is one of the basic operations in the research of chemistry, biology, materials, and other disciplines. Its core goal is to achieve sample processing, reaction acceleration, or physical property analysis through precise temperature control. In this video, we will be presenting about 4 heating apparatus such as Bunsen burner, oven, water bath, and hot plates. These heating apparatus can be divided into two classes, which are direct heating and indirect heating. Bunsen burner is classified as direct heating, while indirect heating consists of oven, water bath, and hot plates. As for the methodology of Bunsen burner, it is connected to a gas supply via rubber hose. This gas enters the burner through a narrow opening known as nozzle at the base. This nozzle increases the velocity of the gas as it enters the mixing tube. Surrounding the gas nozzle at the base of the burner is an adjustable cooler or air vent. It allows atmospheric air to be drawn into the mixing tube. The gas and air mix together as they travel up the barrel of the burner. Once the gas and air mixture reaches the top of the opening of the barrel, it is ignited using a spark lighter or a match. Lastly, adjust the flame by controlling the flame's height and size of the gas tank. As a result, it emits a yellow flame when the air hole is closed completely. Meanwhile, a reddish flame appears when the air hole is being slightly opened. Next, a purple flame is produced when the air hole is just partially opened. Lastly, a blue flame appears when the air hole is fully opened, which is a strong combustion and hazardous. That's all for this part.
Hello everyone, today I will be presenting one of the most important techniques in analytical chemistry, gravimetric analysis, and how the laboratories often play a key role in this method. Gravimetric analysis is a technique used to determine the amount of a substance by measuring its mass. It is commonly used in a laboratories to quantify elements or compounds accurately. The method involves several steps. Precipitation on the desired substance is turned into a solid. Filtration to separate it from the solution, drying usually using a laboratory oven, and finally weighing the dry substance. The drying step is crucial. Any remnants water or solvent can affect the final weight and give inaccurate result. This is why the laboratory oven is so important. After filtration, the solid sample is placed in the oven to dry until it reaches a constant weight, meaning no more moisture is present. Let me give an example. If we are determining the moisture content in a food sample like a biscuit, the initial weight is 5 grams. After drying in the oven, the final weight is 4.5 grams. This shows how the lab oven helps ensure the accuracy of the gravimetric result. It prevents error from leftover water and support precise chemical analysis. Laboratory ovens are widely used in industry like pharmacy, food quality testing, and environmental monitoring. Their role is essential in delivering reliable and consistent data. In conclusion, the laboratory oven is a vital instrument in gravimetric analysis. It helps chemists perform accurately measurement and support the success of analytical procedure. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, my name is Adli Maisara binti Ramzan Adli, and for my part, I will talk about the uses of the hot plate. Let me explain 3 common examples where hot plates are used. First, in medical and pharmacy laboratories, hot plates are used to heat or mix chemicals safely. For example, scientists use them to make solution or for lab tests or to test medicine stability at high temperature. Hot plates help doctors and researchers to make sure that medicines are safe and lab results are accurate. Since they heat evenly and without the flames, they are safer for use in labs. Second, hot plates are also very useful in our daily life, especially for cookings. Many people use hot plate in the small kitchens, hostel, or while camping. We can use hot plate to boil water, to cook noodles, fry eggs, or other than that. It's small, easy to carry, and also perfect for people who don't have a full kitchens. In emergency like power cuts, it can also be used as a backup stove. And lastly, in factories and industry, hot plates help in the process of making products. In the food industry, hot plates melt the chocolates or heat the sauces. In domestic, they are used to make wax or oils to make lip balms, to make soap, and also to make lotions. Hot plates also help mix chemicals safely and evenly, so products come out smooth and at the high quality. This is important for both safety and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, hot plates may look simple, but they are used in many important ways in science labs, in our kitchens, and in the large factories. They help us stay safe, prepare food, and even support health in industry. That's all from me. Thank you, and let's move to the last part.
Hello, I'm Muhammad Nasmi Wazin B. Ismawi from Group 2. I will be explaining what is a water bath. Water bath is a common tool used in laboratory that heats samples. It is a container that filled with water that can be heated to a specific temperature. Scientists put test tube, flask, and other containers into the water bath, which heats them evenly. Water bath is being used in many different types of laboratory such as biology, medical labs, and chemistry. It helps keep liquids warm, melting substances like agar and gelatin, and also maintain a consistent temperature for samples. It is also very useful for microbial growth and enzyme testing. There are different types of water bath. That is a circulating water bath, which move the water around so the heat can be spread evenly to each sample. Another one is a shaking water bath, which shakes the samples while heating them. This helps to mix the substance in the sample and also heat them at the same time. The biggest advantage of using water bath is that it can keep delicate samples safe while also heating them. It is also useful to heat flammable substances as there are no open heat involved during heating. For conclusion, water bath is a very useful and safe way to heat samples. With different types of water bath, scientists can carry out experiments that need a specific amount of heat and condition for their experiments. That is all from me. Thank you.